So viewer subscriber, what go on? So in this one, we're going to touch upon two topics. Yeah man, we have Jahshii and Bayka. Two separate topics where me know so you don't want to miss. So remember, relax, subscribe and we could get right into it.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya. All me want do a great dog. Want to know how me go jail or what. Pussy them want me go graveyard.
So viewer subscriber, we'll kick off the first topic with Jahshii. Yeah man, the entertainer must lose his life today. But me I hear say 6 members of his entourage get shot. You see me? So I'm going to read what the article say and make you have a better understanding of what's going on. You see me? But first, I want to remember when they tell us that Jahshii name I get called up on the murder with Romy. Yeah man. They must say Jahshii alleged kill Romy. And somebody from Romy's past or family, whatever, said they might get revenge for Romy. And basically, it happen now. Jahshii must lose his life. So as I say, I can read the article and make you have a better understanding. You see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy. And pre go on.
I like fame cards. I feel skill on the battlefield, name and shoes. 40 me fire, no paintball.
At about 4:15 a.m., a pickup type vehicle with Jahshii and several of his friends and associates was exiting Marketplace on the Constant Spring Road when men and bikes rode up and shot at the vehicle. Jahshii managed to elude his attackers and was not injured, but 6 persons were shot. None of the injuries are serious and they were treated at hospital. Head of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbitt told Observer Online. Jahshii has been in the news since his name emerged in an ongoing murder investigation.
Yeah, them see the smoke, but they never see the fire. When the iron in my iron, it a pressure me fi fire. Them bury me already if I never feed the pipe.
So there you have it, your subscriber. Jahshii life is on the line. Jahshii have a target on his back. You see me? Right now, I don't know how this is going to turn out for Jahshii because it don't look good at all. You see me? And obviously, a revenge. This is a revenge thing coming Jahshii way. You see me? Remember, I'm telling you of your subscriber. Romy, alleged brother, say want revenge for Romy's death. So this don't look good at all. You see me? And remember, you know, if they go after Jahshii, them are go after Jahshii family. Them are go after Jahshii mother. Them are go after Jahshii father. Can't catch Squawk, catch him shot. I saw the man them a pray right now. You see me? And I don't think this attack is going to stop. Worse, them never get what them wanted. It never turn out in the way them wanted. You see me? It not going to stop. So I don't know how Jahshii I go protect himself. But the streets don't safe for him. You see me? Somehow, him never get shot. And I guess I have to thank God for that. But the streets don't safe. No matter where Jahshii go, them I go watch him. Because of him them want. So viewer subscriber, make me know to think about that. Because as I say, it don't look good at all upon Jahshii. You see me? And I know people are going to say, oh, Jahshii if left Jamaica. But I don't think that would have fixed anything. Because if you left Jamaica, who knows? Remember say I go do show, you know. And when you go do a show, it will basically give away a location. People can still find you up there. So right now, all I can say is Jahshii there in a deep hole right now. You see me? I don't know how this thing will squash. I don't know how it will turn out. But trust me, it don't look good at all. It don't look good at all if you're a subscriber. So make me know to think about that. Because as I say, Jahshii life is in danger. So make me know to think about that if you're a subscriber. Remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy. Yeah man, moving on to our next topic. So if you're a subscriber, a collab is coming soon with Bayka and Bad Juvie. Yeah man, Pablo YG. But the video circulate and Bayka get a bagger backlash from it. Yeah man, Bayka said he heal up the devil, not Christ. A lot of people are comment and I say a bag of things on it. So I'm going to read some of the comments and I'm going to see what them talk about. You see me? So let's pre war go on. So the first comment says, from you I go against God, F you. We don't care if I just music. Next comment says, heal up who? Ya idiot Bayka. The comment after says, me done with whatever this is, cause I didn't even dance all again. And the last comment says, everything a new gen this, new gen that. Nothing never wrong when Tamale a title him song them Lord Lucy and Daddy Devil. Man, uno tapping nice. So, uno, as you can see, a lot of people not really agree with what Bayka said in the song. You see me? Heal up the devil, not Christ. I don't know how this might affect dancehall in the later run, but the last comment actually made a good point because the person was say when Tamale did that do it, and you don't know Tamale just have this dark persona with him, you see me? But they must say when Tamale did that do it, nobody need to say nothing. Everybody that sing along to Tamale's songs, everybody rate Tamale. But now when the upcoming new gen them do it, it's like it's a big deal, it's a big problem. You see me? So the person actually have a good point, but I have to wonder what really going to happen to dancehall. You see me? Because I also saw a comment where the person said dancehall is not the same. You see me? This is not dancehall. So I have to wonder what really going to happen to dancehall if a lot of people lose off of it. You see me? And I not go there so and beat nobody about what them want to sing about. Them sing about what them want to sing about. I don't care. But as me said in my last video, I just want to see what else them can sing about. Like the other topics them can touch upon. Just in case if the chopping stop the road. I want to know say the artists them have somewhere else them can sing upon. You see me? Them can DJ on. You see me? But big up the DJ them same way. Rate Bayka. Bayka is a very good artist, very talented youth. You see me? But I just what people feel, I guess. And as I say, I don't know how this might affect dancehall in the long run. But Tamale also did it. So I don't really see the point where people go come out and beat the new gen them about it. You see me? So if you subscribe and can let me know what you think about that and don't know about this guy already, let me know what you think about any of the topic them have touched upon. But please let me know what you think about the Jahshii topic. You see me? So remember, subscribe to 4K Shell Energy if you're new to the channel. Run this up to 1000. 4K Shell Energy. Catch you now in our next one.